Here it goes.
The following message is translated at the request of the Kentucky State Police. The Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Wayne County Sheriff's Office is requesting an Amber Alert. Jocelyn Lair, a 7-month-old white female, hazel eyes and brown hair, was last seen only wearing a diaper and in the company of mother, Shelley Lair. A 39-year-old white female, 5'3", 119 pounds, last seen wearing hot pink tank top and black shorts, driving a red Ford Focus with gray or green spray paint on passenger side of vehicle. Kentucky license plate, BWV 609. Child is assumed to be in great danger due to mother's drug use and child past exposure and overdose. DCBS has emergency custody order for child. Midnight Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions across the bluegrass region of Kentucky. At Lexington, it was clear.
Shit.
Degrees, the dew point 47, and the relative humidity 59%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.90 inches and steady. At Frankfort, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 56 degrees, the dew point 47, and the relative humidity 71%.
Fuck up.
The wind was calm. In the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Wayne County Sheriff's Office is requesting an Amber Alert. Jocelyn Lair, a 7-month-old white female, hazel eyes and brown hair, was seen with a temperature
How do I
of 60
shut
at
you
Covington,
up?
64.
Thank you. God damn it, dude. This is bullshit. If I can turn on FM.
Child is assumed to be in great danger due to mother's drug use and child past exposure and overdose. DCBS has emergency custody order for child.
Holy shit. Damn. Oh, fuck. I almost tripped. Whew, man. Okay.